Rising dancehall entertainer Jahshii fined $50,000 for a curfew breach. Hi again and welcome. This is Links Below 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links Below 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links Below 7 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Dancehall artist Malik Clark, otherwise known as Jahshii, was fined for breaching national curfew measures under the Disaster Risk Management Act when he appeared before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court earlier today. It is reported that Clark, along with others, were traveling in a motor vehicle along Red Hills Road at around 3:45 a.m. when they were signaled to stop by a member of a police party. The men complied and told the police officers that they were coming from a party in Brook Valley, St. Andrew. Senior Parish Judge Lorian Cole Monteith imposed a fine of $50,000 or the alternative of 6 months imprisonment. This is not the first time that Jahshii have had his run-ins with the law as it relates to breaking curfew measures. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.